All right, so we're going to start the process from scratch here. So the first thing I'm going to do is, there's really a couple things we could do here first, but the first thing I'm going to do, which most of you probably did, was start comparing your denominators. So I see I have an x plus 3 in both fractions, but I do not have an x minus 3 in that second fraction. So I'm going to have to multiply the second fraction by a giant 1 of x minus 3 over x minus 3. And then we go ahead and we rewrite this as our two fractions. And then we should simplify the second fraction. So we're going to simplify what's in the numerator of our second fraction. Now I want you to understand I'm doing this very intentionally. So I'm taking my time through this process. You might find ways where you can move a little bit quicker through the process. So we get 2x squared minus 6x over our common denominator. And then let's go ahead and combine the two fractions. So I have 9 minus 3x plus 2x squared minus 6x. And then, of course, we need to combine like terms. So in that fraction, in my numerator, I have 2x squared, and then I have negative 3x minus 6x is minus 9x, and then plus 9. Now, before you finish this, go ahead and try and factor it. See if the numerator will factor and see if there's any other hidden ones. So if you did attempt to factor, hopefully you got 2x minus 3 times x minus 3, and then there is, in fact, a giant 1. So I'm left with just 2x minus 3 over x plus 3.